Hi everyone, it's me Abdul Salam in front of you. Hopefully all are fine. I'm also doing great by the grace of Almighty Creator. Okay, so dear lovely friends, in this video, if I talk about on topic, so this topic social media. Okay, so let's get start this topic. So first of all, social media means so many things. You know, social media platform one of the most important, like one of the most famous things for all over the world. Without social media, you don't know, you can't knowing so many things like international news, like international news channel like BBC and CNN is the most famous channel for social media platform. So that you use social media platform and you use social media platform and helpful so many things. Okay, so like YouTube and Facebook is the famous social media platforms. Like YouTube is the most famous, I think, in all over the world. You know, YouTube platform is the very important things. And when you technically problem like in your mobile, like one settings and like problems like mobile restart, how to restart for mobile, so like this. Okay, so and you have to go YouTube and application open, after that search how to use mobile, and so many videos available here for YouTube channel. So I think YouTube very helpful platforms. Okay, so nowadays learning English is the famous, and when you go to another place like YouTube, social media platforms, like different type of application used for only English language. So like, you know, when you learning English, so beginner, at the very first you go to YouTube and open your YouTube application, and then you search how to improve English, how to learn speaking English, and then so many videos shows you can see like YouTube platforms. So that is why English and social media platforms are very important nowadays. Okay, so not only in our India but also every country, YouTube actually famous social media platforms, like you know, like a news channel, like not social media platforms, you cannot achieve that like another country news. After a few years ago, at that time no social media platforms, those time actually are a letter and report and so many problems those time. And nowadays like social media is the most famous, like WhatsApp, and you know, you live in UK like America, and I live in India. And dear friends, just 1 second I message you and I chatting you, just 1 second you answer me. So this is the social media power, I think. Okay,